Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the crude price has moved in the last 2 days and how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we can see that there is a swing forming at this particular support. Okay, and this support is already a weak support. Keep this in mind, 85.78 is a weak support at this particular level. Okay, so if it comes close to this particular level or touch this particular level, we can see it can move further down. Okay, and again the next few important thing is that suppose if this particular level sustain and if it goes above a level of around 95, we can see a trend will change towards further upside and we can see it can go further high. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind, 85.78 and 95 dollars price. Okay, so now suppose if the price trading at around 89.21. okay, before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in crude and other commodities, even forex. And if you wish to join my telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, now suppose if this particular level sustain, which is at a higher probability, that if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go and touch a level of $90.86. okay, and once this level goes upside, we can see it can touch a level of $94.81. okay, so once the price goes above that level, then there is a higher probability we can see it can touch a level of $97.92. okay, and this level is already being a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can touch a level of $101.88. okay, so $101.88 once sustain, a probability is high that we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $105.77, and from there we can see upside towards a level of $111.20. okay, and this $111.20 is again a weak resistance, so probabilities are we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of $115, and if it sustain above 115, then we can see a level towards 123 and then further upside we can see. okay, now you have to understand something, that market will not move sharp rise as well as sharp fall. It will not happen. It will only happen when there is a certain things like war or pandemic like situation will happen. okay, then only we can see the sharp fall and rise. How we see that it move in a particular zone, then it move upside, in the same way it move in a particular zone and then fall down. okay, so now what we can see looking at the chart, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, okay, and I have already explained you that 85.78 is a strong support. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, trading at around $89.22. so what we can see, it can come down again to a level of around $87. okay, and this 87 is again a weak resistance, so probability is high. We can see it can touch a level of $85.78. $85.78 is a weak support, so probability is again high that we can see it can move further down, because this particular level is a weak resistance, weak support, so probability is high. We can see a level of $81.82. okay, once the price fall below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of $77.8, and once the price goes below that level, then we can see a probability it can go further down towards a level of $71.5. okay, so if it falls below that level, then a probability is there we can see it can move further down. okay, so you have to understand something, that this is the range what we have seen us forming in this particular zone in a descending order, but it is trying to go upside. okay, but overall trend we can see in the continuous downtrend. Other thing is that it is forming a swing at this particular level, so if this sustain, we can see it can go further high, or if it breaks this particular level, we can see it can move further down. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.